And the reason I wanted to film here was the flavor is incredible. I'm gonna go for some 콩나무.
It's gonna feel spicier.
This is gonna be.
I can kind of feel the sweat.
Dude, the cool piece actually helps. Wow. Man.
Definitely a lot spicier than last time.
Yeah, this is way spicier. Thing is, with the more spice, I think more flavor.
Yes.
You know what I mean? This one tastes better than last time. Man, it's crazy how much the soju brings the spice level down. But then it comes right back up. They give you some meal book with